Boeing X-45. Before modern stealth drones dominated the skies, there was the Boeing X-45, an experimental unmanned combat air vehicle that redefined how future wars could be fought. Developed under DARPA's Joint Unmanned Combat Air Systems (JUCS) program, the X-45 wasn't just another drone. It was built to think, plan, and strike on its own. This stealthy, swept-wing aircraft could autonomously take off, locate targets, and release precision weapons, all without a pilot on board. Powered by a single Honeywell F-124 turbofan engine, the X-45 could cruise at over 530 knots, about 613 miles per hour, and reach altitudes up to 40,000 feet, 12,000 meters. Its two internal weapon bays could carry guided bombs like dams and small-diameter bombs, keeping them hidden from radar detection. In tests throughout the early 2000s, the X-45 stunned observers by performing fully autonomous missions, including simulated strikes on multiple targets and coordinated missions with other aircraft. It proved that drones could make real-time decisions in combat scenarios, a major milestone in military aviation. Although it never went into mass production, the X-45 became the blueprint for future unmanned aircraft, such as the Boeing Phantom Ray and other stealth UCAVs that followed. The Boeing X-45 may not have seen combat, but it forever changed how nations design and think about the future of air warfare, one where the pilot might not even be in the cockpit.